That's really good. That's easy, doing it in the air fryer. Geez, that goat cheese tastes good. G'day, I'm going to make an omelette in the air fryer. So I've got bacon, capsicum, onion, bit of ham, sorry, not ham, salami, and tomato. Put a bit of Parmesan cheese, bit of goat cheese on it, bit of goat cheese, and we'll see what happens. I'm only going to use 3 eggs, a bit of a mix up. So we'll put all the ingredients in. Onion, and salami, tomatoes, capsicum, and the bacon. Put a bit of cheese in there, Parmesan cheese. And the goat's cheese. Bit of salt. You don't want to put too much salt because the goat cheese, it's pretty salty. So just put a little bit of salt or don't put it in at all. Pepper. Right, so we'll better give the air fryer a spray. Give it a good spray or else it's going to stick. You don't want it sticking. There you go. And just tip it straight in. All right, we'll put it in. We'll go 190. Go 5 minutes. I've already preheated the air fryer for about 5 minutes. Not even. So it's been preheated and we'll see what happens. Let's have a look. Well, it's nearly there. It's just a bit runny on the bottom. I reckon give it 3 minutes. Go 190 for 3 minutes. Hopefully that's all it needs. Let's have a look. Yeah, she's done. Let's try and get it out. There we go. Smells good. Looks good. Better give it a try. That's good. That's nice. That's real tasty. That's really good. That's easy, doing it in the air fryer. Geez, that goat cheese tastes good. That's good. I like that. See you on the next one.